Hello, my name is Tshepang Rasebokwana, aka Profi. I'm here in Botswana. I'm from Francistown. I never actually rehearsed, or actually been any show in the country. So actually, what I actually love about music is actually is something that I actually express myself through it, and it actually makes me happy every time when I sing, and it actually something that I really love, and somehow I just want it to be my dream, and I would really thank if you will consider, and thank you. Basically, the song that I'm gonna be doing today is actually called Inspiration. It's a song that I actually wrote it and produced it myself. Reason being, I actually produced this song is because a lot of people actually need to be inspired in life to actually get where they always wanted to be and actually pursuing that dream. So this one is actually called Inspiration. Yes. Yeah. Profits in the beats, people. They say I never made it, but here I am today. I'm just trying to live the dream. Oh, dope. I came back to the block. I'm attached to the perp. Sitting in the couch, trying to figure this life. Damn, my life. I came back, pop. I came back there. Everybody talk to me, breathe. Hey man, Joe, got him my back, tied to his back. Oh, no, the niggas, they tell me I came to this block. I trying to make life. Everybody down to the street, I am back. I came no money, I ain't got cash. Everything the same, the people walking the street, smoking no dope, selling no weed. All the same they came, all the same they went. Oh dear Lord, please for the game, please for the town. Niggas in the court, selling no crack. Niggas in the court, selling in the skateboard. Please, oh God, came back part, victory's all mine. The dreams ain't back, the dreams ain't mine. I push it back aside, she came in back strong. She tell me go back, she tell me go there. I never told it back, I never look back. All I do is just breathe, breathe, breathe for the same. Say goodbye when I'm gone, we never actually say goodbye. Damn, Profi's out. Peace.